welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you with me to get my hair cut. So I'm getting my hair done today. I'm going to show you my really super quick makeup because I've really got to go very soon. So I'm going to do some really super quick makeup and how I do it and how I kind of make myself look like I'm wearing more. So yeah, come along the journey with me and I hope you enjoy. I'm quickly just cleansing my face with my Lizzle face lotion. I'm now applying my Nivea moisturiser to make sure that my skin is nice and ready and prepped for my makeup. I'm now using my brand new foundation just to quickly hide any blemishes, etc, just to get ready for the day because I'm trying to hurry up, as I said earlier. I'm now using my concealer and that's going under my eyes and on any blemishes, just like my foundation, just to make sure that I've got full coverage ready for the day. So now I'm going to be setting my foundation. I just love dancing whilst I'm doing my makeup. That's it, putting that all over my face just to set everything into place. I'm now doing my blusher because I like to make sure that I have nice rosy cheeks so I don't look dead to the world because I am super pale. I'm now applying my mascara. This is my favourite part of my makeup because it makes my eyes pop. This is honestly changes my whole look for me. So now I'm going to be applying some highlighter. I have no idea who I'm talking to in this bit. I actually can't remember. But yeah, I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, the end of my nose, and my cupid's bow on my mouth. And now I'm applying a light pink eyeshadow highlighter shade into the corners of my eyes to make my eyes pop and make myself look a bit brighter, ready for the day. I'm now setting my makeup, just like so. And now I'm onto my hair. I just want to use this as a disclaimer. I don't always use dry shampoo. I know I did use it in my last videos as well. This was just because I was going to the hairdressers and my hair was a bit greasy. It needed washing, but I was waiting for the hairdressers to wash it for me. So I'm literally just brushing my fringe and then I'm going to straighten it just to make sure that it looks a bit neater. So I'm now officially finished, so I'm going to be heading off to the hairdressers very soon, so I'm going to take you with me. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm now walking to the hairdressers. So I've just left my house. It's super windy and cold, so that's always nice. But yeah, I'm going to hopefully get there on time. I need to draw money out too. So that should be interesting. It's probably going to take me at least 20-25 minutes to get there. So we'll just have to wait and see. So this is my new haircut. I absolutely love it and I really hope you guys like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have and comment down below what you thought. And also subscribe to my channel if you're new and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!